Well, hello YouTube and TikTok channels. It's Belmont here. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you thought that you wouldn't see any more of these keys. Well, this is the last one in the set before we get to a bunch of beautiful try marks. And for a Friday, March the 1st, everyone is doing a little bit of trying, especially next door. Someone's got the key to her. Alright, so this is the CH701. It's also a RV camper replacement key. It's also a Hudson and Hurd key. It also fits JR Products, StarCraft, 2407 pop-up tent camper. It's also a camper door latch. So what all does that crap mean, right? Well, it means a few things. It means one, this is also still a wafer key. And it just has that one little notch, which technically means that you could use the small automotive jigglers to get in there. I wanted to give March something, well, interesting perspective to go on. And things to go on are, well, Nebraska is not going to show her face. And yet another man in this world has been given the kiss of death of just friends. So, Lan, my dear nephew, if you're listening, always watch out for broads who say just friends, especially if they have begged you before up and down sideways to mention the fact that you are their boyfriend on camera for others to hear and see. So just remember that. Something else that Belmont has actually done, started the other day, is started on Assassin's Creed Rogue. And now, naturally, why I mention this, one, I mentioned that my nephew, that'd be starting that new game. But also, Assassin's Creed Rogue has something that you have not seen in the other Assassin's Creed games: lockpicking. Granted, I just started up the game. I will eventually get around to seeing the lockpicking aspects. I did watch a full walkthrough of it already, so it's going to take some time. But I'm actually glad that Assassin's Creed included lockpicking as well, because it's one of my specialty skills. The book is also at 103 pages. Need to add some more filler material to fluff it up, because otherwise it's going to be just over 100 pages, and I'm putting a particular amount of pride into it, so I want to make it look good. So that's going to do it for this week. Hope you've enjoyed. I'm going to get around to the last of the keys that got sent to me. And for those who haven't seen what a Trimark key is, well, the Trimark keys got sent to me by Mayhem Keys. And they are black and brass. So, hope you enjoyed this week's episode. Welcome to March. Be safe, stay warm, and as always, this is Belmont saying, stick around.